So these are called Alina Ballet flats from Coach. I chose the beige color. They are man-made leather lining and footbed, rubber outsole, and these gorgeous gold brass hardware at the front. I have worn them a couple of times now and they are really soft. I still use inserts because my feet gets really tired. But if you are younger than me, maybe you don't need to put inserts. Another thing I want to point out is that they run big. I am usually size 8, but their size 8 was very loose. I also tried the size 7.5, but still a little loose, so I end up getting size 7. There are other colors like black, metallic, silver, and also brown in monogram. I love the fact that I can match these with any kind of outfit because it looks really simple. Time to end this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!